Here's a detailed review for your video on the cordless electric screwdriver in American English. Cordless electric screwdriver review. Is it worth it? If you're tired of manually twisting screws or dealing with heavy wired power tools, a cordless electric screwdriver might be exactly what you need. In this video, we take a close look at one of the most convenient and efficient tools for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals alike. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or working on light construction projects, this cordless screwdriver promises to make your tasks easier. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about this cordless electric screwdriver is its ergonomic design. The lightweight construction ensures that even prolonged usage won't strain your hand or wrist. It features a rubberized grip, providing excellent control and reducing slippage during use. The build quality feels sturdy, making it a reliable choice for both household and professional applications. Another great aspect is the compact size. Unlike bulky drills, this screwdriver can fit into tight spaces, making it ideal for assembling furniture, fixing cabinets, and handling delicate electronic repairs. Power and performance. Performance is where this tool truly shines. Equipped with a powerful motor, it delivers enough torque to handle a variety of tasks. Whether you're tightening or loosening screws, the speed and precision make a noticeable difference compared to manual screwdrivers. One of the standout features is the adjustable torque settings. This allows users to choose the right amount of force for different materials, whether it's wood, plastic, or metal. With a variable speed trigger, you can also control how fast or slow the screwdriver operates, giving you greater precision for delicate tasks. Battery life and charging. A cordless tool is only as good as its battery, and this screwdriver doesn't disappoint. It comes with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that can handle multiple projects on a single charge. The fast charging capability means you won't be left waiting hours before you can get back to work. For those who use tools frequently, the battery indicator is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor power levels and recharge before it runs out completely. If you're working on an extended project, having an extra battery pack can keep you going without interruptions. Ease of use and additional features. One of the best things about this cordless electric screwdriver is how easy it is to use. Even if you're not a DIY expert, the one-button operation makes it incredibly beginner-friendly. Simply press the trigger and you're good to go. Other useful features include LED work light, perfect for working in dimly lit areas. Magnetic bit holder, keeps screws in place, preventing loss. Quick bit change mechanism, allows for seamless swapping of screwdriver bits. These small but practical additions enhance usability and convenience, making your work faster and more efficient. Who should buy this? This cordless electric screwdriver is perfect for homeowners, great for furniture assembly, minor repairs, and everyday tasks. DIY enthusiasts, ideal for craft projects and home improvements. Professionals, a handy backup tool for quick fixes in electrical, plumbing, and construction work. Pros and cons. Lightweight and ergonomic design, powerful motor with adjustable torque, long battery life with fast charging, LED work light for better visibility. Easy to use, even for beginners. Cons. Not suitable for heavy-duty drilling. Some users may prefer a higher torque option for tougher materials. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? After thoroughly testing this cordless electric screwdriver, it's clear that it's a must-have tool for anyone who regularly works with screws. Whether you're assembling furniture, repairing gadgets, or doing home improvement projects, this tool will save you time and effort. With its ergonomic design, reliable battery life, and user-friendly features, it stands out as one of the best cordless screwdrivers in its category. While it may not replace a full-sized power drill for heavy-duty tasks, it's an excellent addition to any toolbox. Bottom line, if you need a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use screwdriver, this is definitely worth considering. Watch the full video for a hands-on demonstration and see this tool in action. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and recommendations.